Welcome to Samoa. Choo!
Welcome to Samoa. Choo!
Sekia Samoa. Choo!
What's up, TNS family? Welcome to Samoa. Choo! Good morning, TNS family. Welcome to another vlog. If you are new to this channel, my name is Sera and this is Tuxx. Where is he? There he is. Don't mind my somos if you can see some somos in my eyes. I legit just woke up, but I had to show you the view that we slept with. Hey, this is our whaleo'o. Oh my goodness. And this is our scenery from our room. Absolutely beautiful. This is where we slept, TNS fam. We slept in a mosquito net, aka Ingamu. We had an awesome sleep, but there was a bit of a night where I was sweating so bad I woke my husband up to kapili me back to sleep. But besides that, everything was all good. Really enjoyed Tunnel Beach. Their dinner was awesome last night. Shout out to the cooks. How was your sleep?
My sleep was a little bit restless, family. It was pretty hot, but to be honest with you, I couldn't sleep properly because my GoPro's broken.
Look how sad he is.
I'm so sad because Sera actually got this for my Christmas present, eh?
Yeah.
2016, I think.
16, yeah.
2016, and it's finally given up. A little bit of water got into it, just to let you guys know, just in case you guys are worried as well, because this holds our underwater footage.
Yeah.
So now, guys, I'm just going to apologize in advance. We're going to use our other GoPro when we go in the water.
We're going to use our old GoPro, but hopefully it's not choppy. It's not it's not going to be like the best quality compared to GoPro. What's that one? Hero 4? I think the GoPro that we have is just a GoPro Hero.
I think normal it was like a, yeah, it's just GoPro Hero.
Hero, yeah. But it's okay, honey, don't worry. We'll get you another GoPro. And yeah, family, if you are watching this on your own, pause this video and get your family. Wake them up and be like, the TNS have uploaded, come and watch. So good, let's go experience Savai with them. But yeah, TNS family, let's get into this vlog and let's get ready.
Time devotion. Shove it in your face up on the taste of dedication. Give you a lesson the life you like in education. Right then you won't know the meaning of love and affection.
Okay fam, so we're here at the Swimming with Turtles, which is in Whangamalo, and we're about to go in, but this guy's still reminiscing over his rest in peace GoPro. But we're gonna go in. Riri's first time here.
Let's go.
Excited? Yes, really excited. We're gonna go in, swim with the turtles, and then head off. My mom and dad and Chris are waiting in the car, so we're gonna try and speed this up.
Give you a lesson the life you like in education. Right then you won't know the meaning of love and affection. Follow worshiping through the word of devotion. Shove it in your face up on the taste of dedication. Give you a lesson the life you like in education. Right then you won't know the meaning of love and affection.
Sitasi na mafuai na usaba inatu seme olilelo uniloto sa utamufai fa amata natu tukwalilo oe ilo umafupa umalele oteno foba se fili alo ota umafai ina ya pomisa sumela uva ai mai mafusi ya mafa amafa na fanailo ufatu uositola ambele itele oe sumefa asi suluina o ubanatu ayuilea tuula iya wapa uosemea wamafai seya sutoe fo iyai toe fo itaua imea masani yai uositoe faai elitau mana tuumasa olapo atu Malia oa onga I know for utawia ina umileona Isia oeletele oaso itapaonga.
Okay fam, we just left Turtle Island. We're gonna head on over to Whalealupo. If you guys enjoyed that, please give it a thumbs up. I just wanted to add that I think that the turtles were a bit traumatized. They usually come up and like hang around where the surface is when they see Essie, but or maybe they're just full. Maybe they were just full. Riri, did you enjoy it? She did.
Coconut cheese. Oh, it's a bit of
Ayuilea tuula iya wapa uosemea wamafai seya sutoe fo iyai toe fo itaua imea masani yai mai mafusi yau mafa amafa na fanailo ufatu uositola ambele itele oe sumefa asi suluina o ubanatu
vaina ole mawa Samoa. A ole nei ua pata lalo. A ofea ele au tula toa. Ie la 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 la. 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 Ole pele ni esau ia tau. Se itau tua ile malo. Samoa e ia to ale tai tali ilangi so tato ai pa Italia Britania si auto e upura e fai mai ai Samoa e ia to ale tai tali ilangi so tato ai pa Italia Britania.
Alright TNS family, we're gonna end this vlog here. We hope you guys enjoyed the swimming with turtles, but we want you guys to stay tuned for our next vlog where we will be walking the canopy walk, and we're just gonna spend the day here in Falealupo. So if you are excited for the next vlog, please stay tuned, don't go away. That vlog will be coming soon. But if you enjoy swimming with the turtle, please give this video a thumbs up, honey. And what should they do if they're not subscribed to this channel?
Subscribe to our channel, guys.
Just subscribe, why not? Before we go, we wanted to give the ngu'u shout out, and the ngu'u shout out goes to
Whangapoa Savai.
shout out to you. I just wanted to read this little message because I thought it was so cute and I just had to share it. But it was a message that was sent to us via Instagram from _mamacita8_. She wrote, "Hey guys, Happy New Year's. Well, since you guys in Savai, can you give a big shout out to my hubby Siosi
Moananu
from Whangapoa Savai. It's his surprise 50th birthday celebration. We planned for him to spend it with his family. No one more deserving than him. From his wife,
Ramona,
and our kids, Moses,
Abel,
Glory,
Redeem,
Omega,
Victory,
Georgia, please forgive us,
and Charlotte."
Thank you guys, God bless. Shout out to you guys. Just thought that was so sweet that you guys sent your dad and your husband here to Samoa for his 50th. So shout out to you. We love you guys so much. Thank you for always being loyal to the TNS family. And yeah.
And straight to you, Siosi Moananu, God bless you with many more years to come. May this year be another prosperous year for you. As we could see, you have a lot of kids and a wonderful wife, so God bless you with much more life to come and many more years to spend in Samoa with your family.
Alright TNS family, like we always say, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So far, ciao!